Outdated drivers can cause slow performance, hardware issues, and even system crashes. In this video, I'll show you how to update drivers in Windows 10. These same steps also work in Windows 11. First, right-click the Start button and select Device Manager. In Device Manager, expand the category of the device you want to update. For example, display adapters for your graphics card. Right-click the device and choose Update Driver. Now, click Search automatically for drivers. Windows will search online and install the latest compatible driver if one is available. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer if Windows asks you to. If Windows says the best driver is already installed, you can also visit your device manufacturer's website, such as Intel, Nvidia, AMD, or your laptop brand, to download the latest driver manually. That's it. Keeping your drivers up to date helps improve performance, stability, and compatibility. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.